A VPN, short for Virtual Private Network, is a privacy protection tool that is quickly becoming a must-have. But why do you need a VPN, and how does it work in the first place? A VPN helps your data travel through the internet safely, without big companies or cybercriminals being able to spy on your online activities. Also, a VPN swaps the real location of your device with a new one. This way, you can virtually travel to any country around the globe. So, who can benefit from a VPN? If you're worried about your online privacy, a VPN makes sure your identity and private information are not exposed when you go online. If digital security is your top priority, a VPN gives a nice additional layer of security. It encrypts your data so nobody could see what you send and receive. If you are a human rights activist whose freedom of speech is restricted, a VPN helps you to bypass censorship and speak to the world. Or, if you're on holiday in another country, with a VPN, you can bring your home entertainment anywhere you go. Here's a pro tip: check out Surfshark VPN. It has everything you need in a premium VPN, awesome speeds, and industry-leading protection that covers all of your devices. All you have to do is click connect. Secure your digital life and enjoy everything good that the internet has to offer with a VPN you can trust.
Click link in the description and get 81% discount for your first order. Preparing for your trip. Check what time the park opens and ticket prices. This allows you to plan your day and budget for your trip. It's best to arrive at the park early. This way you will have more time to enjoy the rides and the lines will be shorter. You will also have a few hours to enjoy the attractions before midday when the sun is at its strongest. While water parks are great when it's sunny, cloudy days will give you more protection from the sun. You can also check if the park has a restaurant and decide if you want to purchase food there or if you are permitted to bring your own. Pack your bags. Remember to bring a bathing suit, sunblock if the park is outside, lip balm, money for tickets and snacks, towels, goggles, a padlock to secure your locker, and a change of clothes for the end of the day. If you have long hair, you could also bring a hairbrush or a swimming cap. It is a good idea to bring some flip-flops or water socks along. These are easy to put on and will protect your feet from hot concrete if the park is outside. To save time, you can put your bathing suit on under your clothes, but remember to pack clean underwear for the end of the day if you decide to do this. You can also change in the locker rooms when you get to the water park. Check what kind of swimwear the park permits. Some parks ask visitors to wear swimsuits without zips or things that can catch on the rides. Others require toddlers to wear water diapers. Inquire about express passes. Some parks might offer express tickets that allow you to skip long lines and access rides faster. Plan which rides to go on first. It may be helpful to get a map so that you can hit all the rides in one area and then move on to the next. You and your family might want to go on the water park's website before your trip and create a list of all the attractions you want to visit. Making the most of the rides. Find a locker room. Most water parks have locker/changing rooms where you can store your things and get changed. You can lock your valuables in the lockers so that they don't get stolen or damaged by the water. This way you won't have to worry about your belongings while you are having fun on the rides. Use the park restroom just before you go on the rides. That way you won't waste time looking for a restroom once you're in the ride section, and you can maximize your ride time. Go on popular rides at off-peak times. Go to the popular rides early in the morning or late in the evening when lines are shorter. During mid-morning and afternoon, the lines might be very long. This is a good time to enjoy the wave pool or attractions that you don't have to queue for. Check age and height restrictions before you queue. Some rides will not be suitable for younger riders, so to avoid disappointment or wasting time in long lines, check the rules for each ride. Most rides will have a sign at their entrance, so you can check these out on the day. See how busy the park is in the evening. Many water parks will start to empty out when 4:00 or 5:00 p.m. rolls around. Now is a good time to ride some of the more popular attractions, although they might still have long lines. Enjoying your water breaks. Plan a meeting time for lunch. This is a great time to refuel and rehydrate. It will also give you a chance to have a rest and plan the second half of your day. After lunch, remember to reapply your sunblock and go to the toilet. Take advantage of park activities. Some parks might offer group activities for children, arcade games, or adult-only pools. This is a great time to explore what else the park has on offer. Relax. If you are feeling tired from the day's activities, your water break might be a nice time to relax on a sun lounger, read a book, or have a snooze. Staying safe. Plan safety measures. If you are visiting the park with young children who are not yet confident swimmers, make sure that they have a life-saving device. Some parks will offer this free of charge, but remember to find out before you arrive. Decide on a meeting point. This will stop children feeling anxious if they get lost. Remember, your phones will be in the locker room, so a designated meeting spot is critical. Relax before you start swimming again. If you jump straight back into the pool after eating, you might get a stomach cramp or feel nauseous. Give your body some time to digest your lunch and only go on to rides once your food has settled. This might also be a good time to relax in the wave pool or enjoy less strenuous activities. Apply sunblock. If the park is outside, it is important to apply sunblock regularly to avoid getting burnt, and nothing will ruin your day more than getting burnt. A waterproof sunblock is best, but even this should be reapplied throughout the day, especially after body slide rides. Drink lots of liquid. It might be easy to forget that you need to drink lots of liquid when you're surrounded by water, but this is really important. Drinking lots of fluid will ensure that you don't get dehydrated. It is a good idea to pack water, fruit juice, or juicy snacks like watermelons and oranges.